Meaning of hydroxide.
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 Hydroxide. Hydroxide refers to a chemical compound that contains one or more hydroxyl, OH, groups. Hydroxides are formed when a positively charged ion, such as a metal ion, combines with one or more negatively charged hydroxide ions. These compounds are typically alkaline and can react with acids to form salts and water. Some common examples of hydroxides include sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, and calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. Hydroxides have a variety of uses, including in the production of soaps, detergents, and fertilizers, as well as in industrial processes such as papermaking and water treatment.